Hey everybody, today I am going on a scavenger hunt. My name is Colleen, and at times you may hear my dog Pixie snoring as she sits on my lap. We are going to go on a scavenger hunt. I got this idea from Messy Girl Crafts, Michaela Renee, and DiamondArtClub Girl's best friend. They came up with this idea, so I highly recommend clicking on them. I'll link them down below and checking out their stashes and scavenger hunt. Okay, so the whole point of the scavenger hunt is you have 15 words, and the goal is to go into your stash and see if you can find a kit. The whole point is basically just to have fun. Everybody's doing it differently, and just see what you come up with. Okay, so the first category is jewelry, and I picked Marie Christmas by Ivy Dallimore. She's 25.6 by 36.2 inches, or 65 centimeters by 91.8 centimeters. Square drill, 76 colors, and she has 96,309 total drills in the kit. And I picked her because she has the jewelry around her neck. The second category is book, and I chose Wishes by Erica the Goober. 23.6 inches by 16.5 inches, 60 centimeters by 42 centimeters, round drill, 35 colors, 31,376 drills total. The third category was makeup, and I chose Galaxy Girl by Molly Harrison, 27 by 28 inches, or 56 by 71 centimeters, a round kit, 56 colors, 49,776 drills. The fourth category is cup, and I chose Underwater Train by Mrs. Butter D, 20 by 28 inches, or 50.7 by 70.6 centimeters, round kit, 51 colors, 45,612 drills. The fifth category was flower, and I chose Wildflowers by Riley Gray, 22 by 29 inches, or 55.6 by 73.7 centimeters. Round kit, 72 colors, 54,136 total drills. The sixth category was cat, and I chose Fairy by Jeremiah Kettner, 22 by 28 inches, or 55.8 centimeters by 70.6 centimeters. A round kit, 60 colors, 50,148 total drills. The seventh category is hat, and I chose Ida's Little Flockers by Richard Lorenz, 27.6 by 36.6 inches, or 70 by 93 centimeters. A square kit, 77 colors, 104,813 total drills. The eighth category is plant, and I chose Peacock by Raphael Trujillo. Sorry if I'm tearing that up. It's 22 by 31 inches, or 55.8 by 78.7 centimeters. It's a square kit with 57 colors and 70,784 total drills. The ninth category was pretty easy for me. My husband's a musician. It's musical instrument, and I chose Petals Fall by Yume Art, 40 inches by 20 inches, 102 centimeters by 51 centimeters. It's a square kit. It has 42 colors, and it has 83,436 total drills. The 10th category is moon, and I chose Moonlight because it reminded me of Prince, because in the description of this kit, it has lyrics to his song, one of his songs. And this kit is by Chris Ortega. It's 20 by 30 inches, or 51 by 76 centimeters. It's a round kit with 22 colors, 48,600 total drills. The 11th category is window, and I chose Berry Merry Christmas by Wild Brain. It's 16 by 20 inches or 40.8 by 50.8 centimeters. It's a square kit, 45 colors, 33,368 total drills. The 12th category is Redhead, and I chose Mermaid Princess by Sarah Mustafa. It's 20 by 26 inches or 50.7 by 65.8 centimeters. It's a round kit with 43 colors, 42,535 total drills. The 13th category, ironically, was the hardest category for me to find in my stash, and it is Weapon. And I chose Wolf Dreamcatcher by Sunava Meister. Sorry if I'm tearing that one up too. It is 16.5 by 23.6 inches or 42 by 60 centimeters. It's a round kit, 32 colors, 31,234 total drills. The 14th category was Mythical Creature, and I had a hard time with that one too. I chose Bath Time by Randall Spangler. It's 22 inches by 22 inches or 56.6 by 56.6 centimeters. It's a round kit with 51 colors, 40,802 total drills. The 15th and final category was Food, and I chose Make Life Sweet by Jennifer Lembeen, 25 by 20 inches or 63.6 by 50.7 centimeters. It's a round kit with 48 colors, 41,087 total drills. Okay, so those were the results of my scavenger hunt. I had lots of fun, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please click like on your way out and subscribe. It's free, and you'll be notified when I upload new content. Please leave a comment below and let me know if you enjoyed this video. I'd love to hear from you. If you decide to do the scavenger hunt, please tag me so I can watch yours. Also, don't forget to click the links down below to check out Messy Girl Crafts, Michaela Renee, and Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friends scavenger hunts.